So welcome to the classes, my friends. We are doing some derivations. Let's go with the some algebraic rules. The one of the most important rules in algebra is chain rule. Let's see what is chain rule. That's very easy. Chain rule. Chain rule, which says let you can take any variables, but let's take u. U is equal to g t and t. Then as per the chain rule, du by dx is equal to du by dt into dt by dx. So what does that chain rule means? If you talk about the chain rule here, actually you are making these functions to be the same functions. Means here you just added this and this to make it back what it was, that is du by dt dx. So did you get it? So just we added this dt and because to get it. So this chain rule is always used whenever we want to make any functions to like work, then we have to use this chain rule. So we can convert the equations to the functions this format. For making the format in this format, what we add is we dt we add. So that's why the chain rule here is, what does it say? Du by dt into dt by dx, which is equal to yes, that's obviously we are writing here du by dx, which is equal to du by dx. Did you understand this chain rule, my friends? So this is called chain rule. So if you apply this chain rule, then you can make any functions to this du by dx format. Once you make it this format, then you can now go for applying other rules and getting your answers derived. Let's try to solve some of the questions, my friends. Hope you are clear.